The Icfai University is a state private university. It was established by an act passed by the state legislature. The university is empowered by the UGC to award degrees under Section 22 of the UGC Act of 1956. The headquarters of the university is Tura, Meghalaya. This is the right place to come if you want quality education. It not only imparts knowledge but also gives an opportunity to apply practical knowledge. The university provides programs in schools of management, humanity and social science, science and technology for both UG as well as PG programs. We also have various internship and programs where we get to work with various industries and organizations. You will like these activities because they actually give you a chance to put your knowledge to practice. The students of this university are also involved in many co-curricular activities such as seminars, industrial visit, camps, education tour and more. We also have a university week for which we have a name. Yes, it is called the Impasto. Yes, Impasto is a favorite event as it provides us a platform to showcase our talent. We also have training and placement wings which provide placement assistance to students on a continuous basis. Come be a part of the Icfai family and experience a new world.